I think people are approaching AI the wrong way right now. They think they need to learn everything about it before they use any of it. And honestly, that's the easiest way to get overwhelmed. You do not need to master AI in order to benefit from it. By the way, I'm Phil, and I've spent my entire career working and playing with technology. And I got to tell you, I think people are just overcomplicating this. Every day there's another app, another news headline, or another YouTube video telling you that if you don't automate 17 workflows before breakfast, then your business is doomed. And most people hear that and they completely shut down. And then they don't play with it or experiment with it at all. I think the problem is that most people are approaching AI like it's some kind of subject that you have to study in school rather than some kind of tool that's there to help you. I mean, think about it. If you hired a real world assistant to come in, like a person to come in and help you, you wouldn't sit them down across the desk from you and say, hey, let's analyze the way your brain works and understand that for 6 months before we get started. No, more realistically, you'd take something that's really annoying, you'd hand it to them and say, hey, look, can you just take this off my plate? And that's the way that you should approach it. Don't try to automate your whole business. Just pick 2 or 3 things that mentally drain you or that you find take a lot of your time, and try to use AI for those things. Just 2 or 3 wins. Maybe it's writing emails or replying to emails because you're not sure how to word them. Maybe it's summarizing a large report or a meeting transcript that you honestly just don't have the energy or the time to do. Or maybe you're staring at a blank screen and you just don't know what to write because you're trying to come up with some marketing copy or a social media post and you just don't know where to start. Those are perfect things to do with AI. So don't complicate it. Just take ChatGPT or Gemini or Claude, whichever one you want, and just spend the next week just using it for those 3 things. Nothing more. That's all you got to do. You don't need 50 tools. You don't need perfect prompts, and you don't need to be an AI engineer. And I guarantee you, if you do that, most likely the light bulb will go on and you'll see just how much AI can do for you without having to learn everything about it first. So try that out, see if it works for you, and let me know. And if there's something that you want to automate, that you'd like to automate with AI, please put it in the comments because I'd love to talk about it in a future video. Because honestly, that's what I really want this channel to be. I want to share AI tips and technology in a practical way without all the jargon, without all the hype, and without all the complexity. So please comment below. Let me know what you think. And thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.